In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "we couldn't create a new partition" / "can't install Windows on this partition" error that sometimes appears during a Windows 11 installation. Before you continue, please back up everything on the drive you're installing Windows on. The steps we'll use will remove all existing partitions on that disk. First, close the installer window, restart your PC, and boot from your Windows 11 USB again. When the setup screen appears, press Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt. If you're on a laptop, you may need to press Fn plus Shift plus F10. If the command prompt doesn't come to the front, just press Alt plus Tab to switch to it. Inside the command prompt, open the Disk Part tool. Use the command to list all available disks, then find the disk you want by checking its size. Make sure you select the correct one. After selecting the correct drive, type the command that completely cleans the disk. This will remove all existing partitions so Windows can install properly. Once everything is cleaned up, close the command prompt and restart the installation. This time the error should be gone and the setup should continue normally. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.